And pandas, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Pandas, TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. We're back live at it again. Pandas. This is crazy. Crazy. Making new all-time highs every single day. Hope everyone had an amazing weekend. Good morning, everybody. Drop those GMs in the chat. Scalp that like button. Market's about to open here. We're just getting started. We're about to get started here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Stone Cold Steve. Steve Jackson. Stone Cold Steve Mason. Fill in the blank. Blue Steel, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Market's about to open. Let me put a message up real quick for all those who don't know, but make sure you guys roll over. Make sure you guys roll over. If you haven't rolled over yet, make sure you roll over. Today's the official rollover date. It is the official rollover date, so make sure you guys roll over. 12:25. If you're wondering why is my chart so slow, it's because you haven't rolled over yet. Make sure you have rolled over. Right now, my first initial thought is this is going to be a trading range day. At least with the price action, it looks like it right now. The first bar is a complete doji bar. We break the low, we break the high, we break the low, we break the high. It's expanding pattern, so I'm thinking it's going to go back down. That's my thought. But we're clearly above the 20 MA and we're an uptrend, so hard to tell what's going to happen here. And also look at it. It's so super choppy, right? Lots of overlapping bars. Completely overlapping bars here, completely overlapping bars here as well. So if you're thinking, at least this is what I'm thinking. Trading range day, at least until it's no longer trading range. You have the minimum requirements. You push down, push up, and then push back down beneath this low. That's the minimum requirements for a trading range. And the price action does not look any more clear. So don't forget to roll over pandas. It is very important. Maybe I should make it a little bit bigger, to be honest. I'm gonna be muted for a while. Ready to rock and roll. Market's open. I was muted for a little bit. I mean, I'm thinking trading range, but still, if this keeps going up at a certain point in time, you no longer think it's a trading range. Bear bar ending near its low. Regular trading hours. Oh, I don't have the chart. What is this? Don't forget to roll over, pandas. Don't forget to roll over. If I pushes up, keep going higher and higher and higher. Ooh, that's not good if you're a bull. You don't want to see that. You don't want to see that happen. If you're a bull, you don't want to see that happen. Currently, we're in a small pullback bull trend, going completely sideways right now. Okay. I mean, you need a lower high minimum to go short here, like a lower high of some sort. Right now, this is just it's currently flying though. At a certain point in time, you let go of the premise that you're in a trading range, and you just say, let's just go always in long. We'll see though. Still within the first 5 minute candle. 7 pushes a small pullback bull trend. You cannot go short here until the small pullback bull trend done. Small pullback bull trend is just a breakout on a higher time frame. And this is a 500 tick chart. Wow, am I still stuck in the bathroom? Should we call it? Yeah, I'm stuck in YL's basement, guys. YL kidnapped me. I'm in his basement. Please, someone save me. Help. At least give me some water, YL. Jeez Louise. At least give me some water here. All right. Pushing down. Small pullback bull trend. That's what this is. I don't know. Maybe I'll just wait till this small pullback bull trend's done. YL, can you please record your wife on the karaoke machine just so we can know the pain you're suffering? Just so we can just kind of get a glimpse of your suffering. Otherwise, we can only just imagine. All right, we got a strong bear bar ending as low. Like I think it may reverse here. I could be wrong, but we shall see. All right, 2 bear bars in a row here. You need a lower high. I'm gonna look for a lower high at the bare minimum, lower high. 2 strong bear bars ending near its low. If you're a bull, you don't want to see this. I've ever heard Wing singing in South Park. Wing, I don't know who Wing is. I guess not. Who's Wing? In South Park? Wing? Alright, second entry long. Forming here, lower high. First lower high we've got in a long time. Kevin Mack, good morning. I gotta look up this Wing character. Let me see if we get this lower high here. Strong bull bar on the regular trading hours. Right, strong bull bar on the regular trading hours. Clearly above the previous, all-time high. Every single day is a new all-time high, so why is this chart also messed up? What is going on? Okay, I thought we were gonna get the second entry long here, but we don't. What is going on? It's crazy. Pandas, don't forget the rollover. We did get the lower high here finally. Don't forget the rollover. Luis, good morning. Tate, good morning. Welcome everybody. Don't forget the rollover, guys. Today's official rollover date. Do not forget, please. The reason why I think it's gonna reverse is because we have this really bad price action here, and we just started breaking above. Oh, the lower high. We finally get it. Okay, okay. Lower high here. Buy low, sell high, scalp. So Al Brooks would say here, I think. I have to wait a couple more bars, I think, though, to really get a good sense of what's happening here. Second entry long on a massive uptrend right now. Second entry long, most likely will make a new high. Most likely. Just off chance it doesn't, I am ready for the reversal here. Off chance it doesn't make a new high here, because those who are not ready for the buy low, sell high scalp, just off chance it doesn't make a new high. It does. It majorly makes a new high. Just go long, pandas. Just go long. I'm gonna wait for at least 2 bars on the 5 minute chart. I want one 5 minute chart to close outside of the orb, right? I want an orb, 5 minute orb. Because I'm a little bit confused, so I'm gonna wait for the higher time frames to give me more information. I'm confused because I see trading range price action, but this keeps going up very slowly, like grinding to the upside. So it makes me a little bit confused. Good morning, roll over and scalp that like button. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. Make sure you scalp that like button. Helps out this channel out a lot if you scalp that like button, panels. A lot, a lot, a lot. Got nothing here. Truly got nothing. Just watching. I mean, this could keep going up, as far as I know. All right. Outside bar reversal, sure, why not? Keeps going up. Strong. Makes a new high. Makes new alt. Every high it makes today is a new all-time high. Every high it makes is a new all-time high. At a certain point in time, you just say, screw it, I'm going long. At a certain point in time, you just say, I'm gonna go long. If it doesn't keep going up, oh wells. Because you gotta try sometime. 50-50. After the first 2 bars, we get a reversal here. About 38 more seconds. 30 more seconds until this bar is finished. I may just sell. Who knows? Small pullback, bold trend though, prevents me from going short in this situation. Okay. Maybe it wasn't long. Maybe as simple as that today. Just keep going long. All day, every day. The moment this bar closed, it didn't reverse. It got bought up. Let's see here. Another new all-time high waiting around the corner. Sure, why not? Just keep going long. Just keep going long. Strong and long. Okay. No new high created here. I mean, it's pretty high chance we get a new high, right? Yep, new high by one tick. New high by one tick. Very cool. I don't know. Keeps making new highs. Small pullback bull trend. Golly, look at that. I mean, I thought we are gonna pull back a little bit more than that with this strong bear bar, but nada. No follow through. I mean, I gotta just go long here, no? No follow through on that strong bear bar ending on its low. Absolutely no follow through here. I gotta buy, no? Is that not like the clearest buy ever? Thoughts and prayers. I guess I basically bought the top here. Completely overlapping bars. Why not? Right when I enter. Why not? Why not? Worst timing ever. Why not? Why not us? I basically bought the top here. I thought with the bear bar ending on its low, we reverse like that, we were gonna get a little bit higher, but I guess not, Pandas. I actually guess not. Fail second entry long. Why not? One time. Or just second entry long. Small pullback bull trend. Or the bull trend done now? All right, good signal bar. Ooh, bad follow through. I go two. I go two. I go two. I'll go two. I'll go two. Two contracts. Thoughts and prayers. When that happens, it's usually a bad sign for a bull, right? Like you get a really good setup to go long, and it doesn't work out. It just reverses on you, breaks your neck. I hate when that happens to me. So hopefully this time, I could be on the other side of this trade, and we make some bamboo. It happens on both sides. It's gonna snap back up, possibly. Why not? Anything can happen here. I think my target is a break of this low, and then let's see if we get a little bit more than that. I think my first target is a break of this low. Can we get it though? Is the question. Decent push down. Can we get more than that, Pandas? I want a little more than that. Just a little bit more than that. A little bit more than that. I want a little bit more than that. We're still beneath the 20 MA. Can we get some more, please? Morning reversal here. Opening reversal would be great. Opening reversal. Market says not today. Market says not today. No opening reversal. Instead, actually still always in long. Oh wow. All right. I'm out to take the hit. It is what it is. Like I just take the hit there. I simply just take the hit there. We had a slight push down, but I needed way more than that for that trade to be worth it. The 5 minute is actually still always in long, right? It gets bought up here. It gets bought up immediately, reverses, but then gets bought up again the moment this bar closed. So we're still always in long, incredibly. Hands, this one's tricky. Tricky dicky. Tricky dicky. Tricky dicky. Very tricky dicky. Now I'm confused. Are we gonna go up or down? I'm guessing going up. Or trading range now. So you can buy low, sell high again here. Really, where's our range if we're buying low, selling high? Tricky. Tricky dicky. Not sure, Pandas. This one's tough for me. I lost 2 trades in a row. I lost trying to go long here on this massive uptrend. And I lost trying to go short here on a reversal of the massive uptrend. So to me, it's already tricky price action. I don't know. Right? You lose this trade if you go long. You lose the trade when you go short as well. So if you're losing on both sides, market is obviously confused. I mean, it seems like a buy low, sell high scalp type situation right now. I may sell here. I may look for a, I don't know. Double top. I was a little up on this trade. Hey, market's kind of like chopping around, not doing much. I may sell at a new high here. Considering, seeing how tricky this price action was, seeing how this channel is broadening now. Whoa, okay, pop up. Big pop up. I could be wrong here. I could be really wrong here. Let's see. Let's see. I could be really wrong here, but let's see. Let's try. I could be really wrong here. I see that bulls and bears are making money now. Let's see if I can just scalp here. Buy low, sell high scalp type situation. I'm not gonna bet the bank anymore. I'm not gonna bet the whole farm here, you know what I mean? Strong bull bar ending on its high. Could just be always in long still on the 5 minute chart. It could easily still always be always in long on the 5 minute chart. Easily still be always in long on 5 minute chart. Okay, always in long 5 minute chart. Is that what we're seeing here? Breaking out. I cannot go short against such a strong breakout. If we're breaking out like this, it's not a time to go short. I gotta get at least a reversal here. At least one reversal. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strong bull bars in a row. The 5 minute sneakily always in long, right? Closes here, buys up. Close here, actually got bought up early on and then reverse, pull back. And then when this close got bought up, when this close gets bought up. So we're actually like sneakily always in long on the 5 minute chart. Sneakily always in long. Huh. I think I'm just sitting on my pause here for a little bit. I think I was trying to get too fancy. Okay, strong bear bar, any near low. Maybe two bear bars in a row. I may just go short. Two bear bars in a row. I may go short here. It's a bit silly to try, but I may just do it. Thinking this price action that we just saw here, like all this shenanigans, it was the beginning of a broad channel starting to develop. Buy low, sell high scalp type situation. Always in long on the 5 minutes, what concerns me. Hmm, two strong bear bars on the 5 minute or the 500 tick. I may just try to sell this if it's a strong bear bar. Not strong enough for me. Not strong enough for me. It is not a strong enough bear bar at all. Nope, no sir. You need like a lower high now if you want to go short here. Like if you're kind of bearish or not even bearish, but think you can scalp as a bear. Like you can even if it's not a downtrend, you can still scalp as a bear if the channel is broad enough. And we started to broaden the channel here, as you can see. It turned from a small pullback bull trend now to a broader channel. Okay, lower high. I guess. I feel like I need to like. mm, I don't want an outside bar reversal. I don't know. The overall trend is bullish though, so just gotta remember that. Like if you're gonna go short here, you gotta it has to be a scalp. It has to be like like very small scalp actually. I'm trying to go short here. I think on the 5 minute chart, we have not been always in long actually. We have not been always in long on the 5 minute chart. This is confusing. We have not been always in long on the 5 minute chart. Feels like entry long. I'm too confused. It's like a bull trend, always in long on the 5 minute chart. But at the same time, broad channel. I think I can scalp out here if I tried. It's too hard. I should just do what the market's been doing and just go long here, actually. Seems a bit silly, but the channel's becoming broad. Channel's broadening here. Okay, lower high. Finally, lower high. It's against you long. So it's tough. Do I go short or do I go long here? Mm-hmm. It's against you long. Most likely, a new high going to be created here. Most likely. I mean, just so likely a new high is going to be created. So likely. If not, then I guess we'll try to go short here instead. It just seems so likely a new high is going to be created. It just looks like it's a bull flag about to break out again. That's what it looks like here. Bull flag about to break out again. But the broad channel, I'm noticing the broad channel, the channel broadening. So we're going to try to trade with what we see here. Broad channel. See if we can make some bamboo. Just a small scalp. Buy low, sell high scalp. Or just a bull flag. Simple. The most obvious thing now, bull flag. It's going to pop up real hard. Most obvious thing, bull flag. Like a strong bull flag. That's what I'm thinking, but I don't know. Yeah, breakout now. It's a bull flag. Like big pop up, small consolidation, big push up. All right. I mean, at a certain point in time, you just got to buy high then. Buy high and scalp now. That's how people are making money right now, just by buying. Buying high. You buy high, buy low, buy anything. Bye bye. I don't know. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I got burned already, like right here. So much confusion. I don't want to get burned again. Like I tried to buy high here. That didn't work out. So I don't want to buy high here because I know that failed here. So I'm a little bit hesitant just to buy high when I already tried to buy high here. You know, buying high is how people are making money right now. Uh-huh. Lafa says, forget buying high. You gotta buy while high. Very clever. It's very clever. Just insanely clever right there. Um, hmm. I thought we are gonna start turning to trading range because we started broadening this channel, but now we started breaking out of this ascending channel now. You know what I mean, Pandas? You see my dilemma here. We're like breaking out of an ascending channel, which is not what I typically do. But at a certain point in time, you just gotta do it. You know what I mean? Just gotta do it. All right, I'm buying this 5-minute bar. It's gonna be the dumbest trade of all time, but I'm buying it, Pandas. I'm gonna buy this next bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Oh, shoot. Sorry for that. No, I missed it. I missed it for the scalp. Did I miss it for the scalp? What is going on? Okay, hopefully I can still get it in for the scalp here. My goodness, my charts just got all jacked up. Sorry. My charts are just got all jacked up. I mean, eventually you gotta just do what the institutions are doing here. That's exactly what I'm doing. Like, if they're buying, I'm buying, and if they're gonna just keep on buying, I'm gonna jump in, and I'm gonna buy in lower as well. But institutions are just buying, so here I am. I'm just buying. The institutions are buying, always in long. Here I am. I'm gonna join them, always in long. Let's get ready to rumble. And I'll buy again here, actually. Three bull bars in a row, all ending on their highs, all basically always in long. The next pullback will probably be small. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. I could be completely wrong here, of course. Okay, now we're getting shenanigans again here. Jeez, right when I enter. I always buy the top hand. That's the name of the game. I always buy the top. That's just how it is gonna be today. I'm just gonna always buy the top. I'm gonna sell the low. That's the name of the game today. Jeez Louise. I'm just trying to do what the institutions are doing. I'm just trying to jump in with them. Having a hard time doing so. Second entry long, why not? Why do you always buy the top and sell the bottom? Because that's what the market's been doing. The market's doing it, I'm doing it. The market's been buying the highs. The market's been buying highs, right? Buy high, sell higher. That's what the market's been doing. I'm just trying to copy the market. I'm just trying to mimic the market right now. It's all I'm trying to do. Yeah, I mean, look at the price action. Exactly what's happening. I just explained it. I don't know how much more clearly I can explain it. Let's see though. They might have stopped doing it now. The moment I enter. This is why you get screwed all the time. This is why I've made over $250,000 this year alone. I guess so. Jeez, I'm so screwed all the time, making only a 250,000. My goodness. Guess I'm just screwed all the time. Let's see what we get here. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble, bandits. Oh, let's get ready to rumble. It's a lot of bear bars in a row. We'll hold. Hold. Okay. We're in another contract here. At a certain point in time, it's going to be too much pain. I'm going to just let it go. But until then, pandas, we're going to try here. Two bear bars on the 5-minute chart may be enough for me to... Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. It just went over my... Hmm? Excuse me. There we go. We'll make that new high. We have a clear place to let go of this trade if it works against us. Right, on the reversal here. And beautiful signal bar coming off the 20 MA. Let's see if we can make a new high here. We've been making new highs, and I think the pullback will be small, according to the 5-minute chart. Oh, let's get ready to rumble. Oh, let's see if we can make a new high. That'll be my core position, and then we have a runner here. Ah, that's not good. Very bad follow through. Reversal here, but above the 20 MA. Tricky dicky. This is very tricky dicky. Higher high here. Okay, popping up. Oh, let's see. Can we make that new high? That's what I'm asking for. That's what I'm looking for, pandas. Can we make a new high, please? Oh, one time. New high. Maybe 1-to-1. That's it. 1-to-1 on this small, teeny. Not even 10 points. You're going to want at least 10 points here, in my opinion. At least a new high, perhaps? Maybe not. Maybe we won't get it. Maybe double tops here, reverses hard. Who knows, pandas? Who knows? Nobody knows. Can we get that new high is a question. The question. That is the question. Still looking for that new high. Hard time getting to it. It might double top here. Who knows? Possibly. I don't think it will. I think the price action on the 5-minute chart is clearly showing we're still strong up, going up. I could be completely, I could get completely jacked up here, but who knows? I'm holding though. Hold! It's looking like it wants to pop up. That's what it's kind of looking like, you know what I mean? That's what's kind of looking like it wants to pop up. It's kind of looking like that. It's kind of looking like that. But I don't know, pandas. This one's going sideways now. Oh, you gonna take me out? Time to take me out? Did I catch the top? Did I buy the top? Of course I did. That's my specialty. Buying the top is my specialty, pandas. No one can do it better. Absolutely no one can do it better than me. Buying the top here every single day. That's what we do. I thought we could make a new high, but the broad channel may be starting to break down, or actually the broad channel might start coming to fruition. We might come back to the bottom of the broad channel. We just kind of had a little small breakout of it. Unfortunately, I will be getting some big pain here because of that. And it looks like I'm getting stopped out here. It looks like it wants to push down pretty hard now, unfortunately. Two bear bars on the 5-minute chart in a row. Usually signals bulls to get out. Usually signals bulls to get out. I may come up break even here because of the two bear bars on the 5-minute. I think that's what some bulls did. They came up break even there, and now you saw it reverse right at that spot. Or we can hold and just see what happens, but Most likely get hurt here. Most likely lose this trade. And if I do lose this trade, I may call it for Apex. I may jump to take profit because it's a little too much losing. I don't want to lose more than $1,000 in any particular day on Apex. And we're gonna get hit here. Yeah, certainly gonna hit here now. Darn, it is what it is. I try. I try to do what the market's doing. The institutions. They are buying high, selling higher. And I'm getting hurt trying to copy them. Let's see. Yeah. Certainly I get stopped out here. Very certainly I get stopped out here. Very certainly I get stopped out now. I certainly get stopped out. Yeah, there it is. With some slippage. Had a thing going. Looking for that new high. Now the market's actually respecting this broad channel I had. It had like this small breakout. Now it's like a head and shoulders, as you can see here. Darn, pandas. This one's tough. This one's tough. Takes me out perfectly. If it comes up now, it is what it is. Like, it literally just stops me out perfectly. And, it is, I already scaled in 2 times here. So I had 3 contracts in that trade. It is what it is. All right, we're jumping to take profit here. Man, I mean, it's just like everything you do loses, right? You buy high, you sell higher. That's exactly what the market's been doing. So I try to jump in at a pullback, buy high, sell higher. You lose. You lose no matter what. It is what it is what it is. Now we're trying to get to the bottom of this broad channel, I think. Multiple bear bars on the 5-minute chart in a row now. At a certain point in time, yeah, top left corner of my funded accounts, 20 accounts. I lost $1,000, and I don't want to lose more than 1,000 on any particular day. So I think I'm just gonna call it for the Apex accounts. At a certain point in time, you gotta just admit you don't know what's happening, and it's hard for you to trade. You're confused, and so it is what it is. I thought we're gonna make a new high, and a nice second entry long here with a good signal bar. We actually had a reversal set up, and then that reversal back up, double reversal here, and showed us some strength early on, but then yeah, at a certain point in time, you just say you're wrong. I don't know. It is what it is. You gotta take it on chin. You gotta take it on the chin. I mean, the pullback is so strong. I don't know. Maybe I'll just sell here. Get vacuum to the bottom. Get vacuum to the bottom here. This broad channel. Such a strong move down. You're thinking now the broad channel's being respected. It might make a new high now. It might just needed this pullback. Jeez Louise. I'm getting like hit everywhere. It could just be a strong bull channel, bull trend day, and you just buy low, sell high, buy high, sell higher. It could be one of those days. Everything works for a scalp to go long. I'm just trying to find a scalp to go short on this broad channel now that we peeked back into this channel. I thought we were gonna zoom. I thought we were gonna get vacuum down to the bottom of this broad channel, but we shall see here. If I get hit, I get hit. I'm losing every single way. Let's see. Let's have how many ways I can lose today. Let's see how many ways I can lose today. How about that? I think certainly I can go short though, starting from now. I think certainly I can start going short, making some money going short now. It may require me to really, really scale in, like deep scale ins, like wide stop, scale in. I'd rather just get hit here. I'll just get hit. Take profit accounts. Yeah, I'd rather just get hit here. And then go in higher if I have to. Maybe just a really shallow pullback. I don't know. Maybe just a shallow pullback. It could just be in a super strong bull trend. Hmm. Regardless, because it's confusing. I most likely will have a red day today, but it's all good. Maybe a red day. You'll have red days, man. Don't worry. If you haven't had a red day yet, don't worry. You'll have a red day. It's okay. It's all good, pandas. If you have a red day. The thing is like, can you manage your red days, right? If you have a red day, can you like just realize it's the day is not good for your trading style? And you gotta just let it go. Don't chase your losses and just, live to fight another day type situation. So we're gonna try to see here. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I can try to respect this channel going down. It might again require me just have like a super wide stop. I have to scale in one time. I usually want to come out break even if I can. If I have to scale in, I usually want to come out break even. It usually means I'm kind of like a little bit confused. If I ever have to scale in, I kind of want to just get out. And that's what I should have done here. Once I was wrong, and when I scaled in and came out, be able to come out break even, I should have just gotten out because at that point in time, it's already a little bit confusing. We're doing take profit now. I lost too many times on my Apex accounts, so I basically hit my own personal daily threshold, and because of that, I'm just gonna just call it there. Trade another day. Trade tomorrow. Like tomorrow, if I find a good trading day, like tomorrow, if it's a good day tomorrow, then I can make up whatever I lost plus like thousands more. That's the name of the game, right? Like you gotta pick and choose the days you want to trade. It's not just like the setups. Like you want to be able to pick and choose also the day. Because for me, like today, it's today the day that I really think I'm gonna make a lot of money. I don't know. I just feel like it's so confusing. There's a lot of fake outs here in this area, which I don't like. And we had this like breakout of the ascending channel, which is super frustrating to see. And then I tried to jump in because we broke out retest of top of the ascending channel, 20 EMA, good signal bar. I thought we had a lot going for us here, and the 5 minute was always in long until I went in and was always in long. So I just don't know. Like, is today really the day that like I'm gonna really make a lot of money? Like, is this the day that I do well in, I thrive in? I just don't know. I don't think so. To be honest, I don't think so. Right, you want to buy? Do you want to still buy low, sell high? Or are we in a downtrend? Like people don't like Peter here, he doesn't understand like on trends, you gotta buy high and sell higher, right? Bull trends, buy high, sell high. That's the only way that's the only way bull trends are made because people buy high and they sell higher, right? That's the only way that bull trends are made. There's no other way. And that's what people are doing. So if you see a bull trend, that's exactly what's happening. And if you get upset saying, why did you buy the high? Well, it's because that's what the institutions are doing in order to create this bull trend. Um, and the same thing with the bear trend. Instead of buy high, sell higher. It's uh, sell low, sell lower, or buy lower. Trading range is the only time where you buy low, sell high, which is kind of funny, right? Because everyone tells you buy low, sell high, but the only time you really do that is in a trading range, which is oftentimes the case. The market is usually in a trading range of some sort. Let's see. Let's get ready. Actually, well, trading range, but also broad channels. You buy low, sell high, in a sense. Broad channels, narrow channels. You just buy high, buy anywhere, buy for whatever reason. We got a bunch of bear bars in a row now, but look at the rate it's going down. Like you see all these bear bars. We got a bunch in a row, but look how slowly it's going down. Right. And I don't know, maybe this would be a pullback and just keep going long. I think this breakout is turning into a channel soon. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen. Usually what happens. And the trading range, also the price action is starting to show itself to be like not a strong bear trend. The price action is showing itself to be kind of grindy or still like it's leaving some room for possible reversal. It's just a monster move though. Big up, big down, maybe. Outside bar reversal. Doesn't work out. If I see a very good setup, I may jump on my Apex accounts again. If I see a really good setup here. Maybe the second entry long on the 2500 tick chart will be enough for me just to go long. But this current bear trend is, it's quite strong. Quite strong. She's very strong. Let's see. Second entry long floating in midair could possibly be my trade. I just don't like the multiple bear bars in a row, which just makes it scary. What I'm talking about is here. What I'm talking about is here. Second entry long here. A, B, C. I just don't like how many bare bars we have though, and the two-legged pullback. So bare bars, and they're kind of all ending on their lows, which is not good. Hmm, tricky dicky, tricky dicky. Try here. The only reason why I'm considering it is because the rate of this going down is quite slow. Still underneath the 20 MA here, which is this is diabolical here. It's absolutely diabolical to try to go long. Yeah, all right, fair enough. Bottom of the broad channel here. I kind of thought it would get to the bottom of the broad channel after it broke into it. Just did it in a way where it is just diabolical. Like it did it in a way where it's just no one wants to trade this, right? No one wants to actually jump in here now. It's disgusting. It's multiple bear bars in a row, but look at the rate of it falling. One, two, three, four, five bear bars in a row. The rate of it is not as steep as this, right? This is very strong up. This is like slowly grinding to the downside. I don't know. I'm gonna hate myself, but let's try. I'm gonna hate myself, but let's try. Oh, I'm gonna really hate myself here. Looking for the new high, obviously, here. Big up, big down. I don't know. You got at least scalp 10 points. You got at least scalp 10 points here. Price action, I think I get a new high here. It's the only reasonable thing for me to try. Maybe at least a 1-to-1. At least a 1-to-1. Can't get a 1-to-1, forget about it. Forget about it. Strong bull bar ending near its high. I mean, let's see if we have follow through on the strong bull bar ending on its high. I want to see the next bar. I want to see this bar finish, and I want to see if there's any follow through here. Could be a nice push up. Or it could just be a small pullback on a downtrend, trying to get to a support of some sort. Could be that as well. I'll make 10 points, but bare minimum I need is a 1-to-1. Oh, this looks strong. Looks really strong, actually. Higher low. I'd love to see the higher low here. I'd love to see a higher low here. That'd be amazing. Very nice. Higher low created. All right. I think I'm going to get it. Higher low with a strong bull bar ending near its high. Be great. Higher low. The doji. This bull bar still, so there's hope. There's certainly hope here. There's certainly some hope here, in my opinion. There's certainly some hope. Break this high, definitely hope. Okay, if we make a fail second to short, super hope. S tier setup if we can get this fail second entry short here. The broad channel really being respected. Really just balance off the bottom of the broad channel. Um, maybe a new high is too much to ask for here because we kind of have like a big up, big down. Could just turn to a trading range. Maybe a double top here now. Somewhere here. Whoa! Was there news or something? Was there news or something? What's going on? Was there news or something? Spike down hard? Do I come out break even? Or do I lean into my mistakes? Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah, I love that sound. Yeah, I love the sound of trade copier just going berserk on you. I don't even know what trades I'm in. I think we're good. I think we're set. Be nice if we get a new high here, but we'll see. It'd be nice getting it because now we got a strong bull bar ending near its high. After a failed reversal attempt, basically. It's like a reversal. It tried to reverse, but it failed. And now we're pushing back up. It'd be nice if we don't get hit here. But, I mean, we can get hit easily here, obviously. Now that we had no follow through on that reversal up. This is not looking pretty, Pandas. It's not looking too good for us. That reversal could have been the end all for us. How how hard do my hands have to be? My paws have to be. Do I need diamond paws for this one, Pandas? One time, diamond paws? No way. Forget it. One time, diamond paws? One time, diamond paws? I think the market's just confused. It just wants to do a trading range now. Oh boy! What do I do? Come out break even? Oh, that looks good for me. Higher low would be great here. Luis says hold. Hold! Hold! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the hold. Do I hold, Pandas? Are we just turning to trading range now? Is this pure trading range price action? Can I hold this? Can I bear to hold this? Can I bear to hold this? Is it gonna be too much pain for me is the question. Massive doji bar now. Massive indecision. I'm scared. I'm very scared. I'm out. Like, something wacky just happened there. And I'm just like so scared what's gonna happen. I'm not sure. It's just too wacky. Like the price action got completely wacky, completely just diabolical. And I'm just scared. I just have no clue what's gonna happen here. We got too many overlapping bars. Got this huge spike to the downside and then completely sideways. Like, if this was a true, like, spike down, spike back up, why are we going sideways here? We should just be popping up. The fact that we haven't broken out yet makes me very scared. The fact that we haven't broken out yet makes me so scared. I'm not sure. Jeez Louise, that's scary. Wow. Just, I'm glad whatever happens, happens. I'm just whatever. Crazy price action. Crazy, crazy. Louis says true, but it's all-time highs. Actually, all-time highs means grind up forever, huh? It's just too sideways right now. Look at how many sideways bars we have. Like this whole thing is a trading range at the moment. And in the trading range, you're supposed to buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. I mean, I'm guessing it's like this. I mean, ooh, I'm glad I got out of that trade. I'm glad. Very, very, very glad I got out of that. Jeez Louise. How tricky can you get? How tricky can you get? We're doing this a lot, right? Where we have this big spike down, push back up, big spike down, push back up. And I tried to enter one time. We had this big spike down, push back up, but it failed here. Wow. Diabolical, Pandas. If you ask me, this is as diabolical as you can get. Jeez. Pandas, I'm sorry for anyone suffering this, but that's crazy to me. That was wild. I don't know if you were watching, but when this mark like printed, it was craziness. Actually crazy. I'm just reloading now. I just don't know what to do. If you don't know what to do, just reload. It prevents you from doing anything. Prevents you from doing anything else. It's just reload. Arrgh. It's just weird. Weird price action, to be honest. Buy low, sell high right now is still my motto. I just don't know what low is. I don't know what high is either. I guess I know what high is, but I just know what low is. Now, bulls and bears are making money here. Both bulls and bears. Maybe simple trend line like this. I don't know. Too uncertain here. Too uncertain what's happening. Okay. Right in the middle of a trading range, in my opinion. Man, oh man, oh man. I mean, if you want to test me here, if you really want to test me here, strong bull running on high, no follow through. If you really wanted to test me here, this would definitely be the test. That was wacky. I mean, we're still in a bull trend, but that was certainly wacky. I mean, strong bear bindings on the fall. This is reversing. This is crazy. Too many overlapping bars in a row now. That's just so wacky. This is all. I'm getting whack attacked. Who else is getting whack attacked here? Jeez Louise. Put in chat if you're getting whack attacked. Because this is crazy. F in the chats, pandas. F in the chats. Alright. Diabolical. Yes, yes. Okay. Whatever. Let's just see. I think we can get something going on here. I think we can get something going on here. Back to the bottom of this trading range. If you ask me, this is something here. This is something. Just go one, because I'm so confused. Just go one contract here, because I'm so absolutely, like, bewildered. And, like, I almost just want to go short again up here. But, I don't know. Let's see. Is this even enough for a scalp? It is. Who knows, pandas? Who knows what's going to happen here? So diabolical, this price action. It's not the strong move I was looking for. Top of the trading range. They can even get to the bottom of the trading range. I don't know. It's not the prettiest trade. It is a trade though, but it's not the prettiest trade. Okay. Not sure what to make of this. I'm not gonna come out break even now. I'll be happy. I'm a little bit confused. Mm-hmm. Out here. If this comes back up here, I'm out. Because I've got an OI pattern. I might break to the upside. Like hard. Might be very strong push to the upside. I might just take the hit and actually just go with the trade with the breakout of the inside bar at this point. Take $50 loss here. And the reason I feel like it's gonna go up because we're already in an uptrend. So like if I can get out with $30 loss and maybe get in long if it breaks this high, then that's like a very good trade for me. I might just hit the hit. I just have to take the hit here. We'll see. Reversing this trade, trying to go long, whatever. At this point in time, I am getting masterfully chopped up here. Beautifully chopped up. Chop sueyed up, if you ask me. Does take out my stop loss. It does break the inside bar in the uptrend. I guess this could be a setup to go long, just because it's with trend. I like it. Or again, I could just be masterfully chopped up. That could be the case as well, right? Oh wow, making a lower highs and lower lows. I am really getting masterfully chopped up here. Let's see what happens here. We'll go for the one and the 1 to 2. Why not? Why not us? One time. Why not us? One time. Let's see. 1 to 1, bare minimum is what I need. Maybe a 1 to 2, but from the price action, doesn't seem like I'm gonna get it. Very choppy here. The reason why I feel like it could break out is because we failed to hit the bottom of this trading range if it were to be a 1. And we created the OI pattern on the 5-minute chart, and it's with the uptrend, it's with trend. And yeah, so that's all the reasons why I decided to take this trade. If it doesn't work out, so be it. Again, if it doesn't work out, I'm masterfully getting chopped up. It's just a beautiful just chop fest. I'm showing you exactly how to get chopped up. Let's see if we get this trade to work. The trade working out, maybe 60%. Maybe 60% chance here. This trade working out. Lots of overlapping bars, lots of dojis, lots of wicks, right? Lots of wicks on these candles. Making it less likely this is going to work out. Makes it more 50-50. Which is what I hate to see. But it is what it is. And we're going to see it through, pandas. We're gonna see this one through one time. No one said it's gonna be easy. No one said holding is easy. No one said holding will be easy, pandas. Absolutely no one said that. That holding would be easy. And holding here is definitely not easy. Especially when it looks like this. Super choppy, no strong direction. It's just going completely sideways, and the bars continue to overlap. Right now, like I'm looking for a breakout, but I'm not getting any type of breakout price action. All I'm getting is very choppy price action, in fact. It's the opposite. Lots of overlapping bars, lots of wicks, no gaps created. This is the first breakout bar in a while. Let's see if we even have any no follow through on breakout bars near the top of the trading range. Let's just see. I mean, I'm just trying to think of every reason to get out of this trade right now. It's still not looking pretty. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Barely any follow through. Let's see if we get a breakout here. Would love a strong breakout, but I don't think we're gonna get one. Look at no follow through on that strong bear bull bar ending on its high. No follow through whatsoever. In fact, it's the opposite. It's reversing quite hard. It's disgusting. Ah, with this price action, I might as well get out. It's too 50-50 here, in my opinion. Like strong bear bar ending is low at the top of a potential trading range. Makes me want to go short more than go long at this point. Makes me want to go short more than go long at this point. I got shook out. This is too clearly a trading range. This is too clearly trading range price action for me, and I cannot stay long here at the top of this trading range. Like it is so clearly trading range price action. To me, I cannot hold this trade. Like it's too clearly like terrible. Even if it does work out, pandas, it's just diabolical at this point. No money being made here. I'm now 1400. That's not the worst. It's not the worst in the world. I'm now 1400. The bad part about today is not even my P&L. The bad part about today is the price action. That's the bad part. Like I can come back from 1400, but yeah, this is clearly trading range price action right now. Clearly, like so incredibly clear. Probably get back to the bottom of this. I mean, I feel like I just sell here at this point. I don't want to sell the middle of this trading range. If I was gonna sell, I had to sell this bar here. That's when I should sell. That's exactly what other traders did. Sold at this bear bar and either it's low, top of the trading range, or two bear bars in a row. It's really that simple. Again, two bear bars in a row here. They just sold breakout bar. Short breakout bar now. The good thing I got out of that trade because this is so certainly trading range price action. And with that being said, maybe we'll get along at the break of this pivot low. Who knows? Too confusing though. Very difficult. Very difficult, if you ask me. Thoughts and prayers to anyone trading this. Right. Strong bull bar, any on high, no follow through. That's a sign that things are about to go awry. It's a clear sign things are about to go awry. You know what I mean, pandas? Another bear bar? Do I just go short here? Kicks and giggles, but I feel like we're like near the bottom of the trading range. Kicks and giggles? Should I just go short? Nah, too risky. Too low probability. Too low prob. Too LP. I gotta call it LP, right? Too LP for that. LP. LP, big risk. LP and big risk. The worst combination. LP, big risk. It's just gone long here because of that LP, big risk. Low probability, big risk. LPBR. The LPBR. Low prob, big risk. My favorite type of trade. Actually, I lost every single trade today. And losing every single trade, being down 1400 is actually not too bad. Like, surprisingly not too bad. Like, if you lose every single trade, you're only down 1400. It's not the worst case scenario. You know what I mean? Like, I've definitely been worse than this, losing every single trade. I think it's because I already detected it was going to turn into this, like way before it did. I was kind of ready for it. It's incredible. It just did something kind of funky, right? Like, it just started turning into this broad channel now. That's what I'm gonna categorize this as. Broad channel. Broad channel that went here. This is weird. It's just a weird channel. Yeah, I guess this is it. It's just weird. I don't know. Buy low. You can buy and swing, or you can short and scalp. You can sell and scalp. You can either buy and swing, or you can sell and scalp. Those are your two options right now. Ashraf. Ah, the LPBR. My go-to trade. The low probability, big risk. My favorite type of trade. Low prob, big risk. The LPBR. That's the trademark on this channel. Every LPBR we will take. Low probability, big risk. Oh my gosh. You know, if you see an LPBR, you just do the opposite instead, right? Like LPBR to go short here. Everyone bought, actually. Whoa. The higher highs and the higher lows are killing me, making me not really want to go short here because I think a new high is gonna be created because we've been making new highs, higher lows. My go-to setup, the LPBR. Low probability, big risk. So dumb. It's the dumbest thing ever. All right, I'm going short here. Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers. You know what's kind of funny? The OI pattern's still working out. You know what? The OI pattern's actually still kind of working out here. It's still a big pullback in the OI pattern, but it's still viable. Still a viable trade. Absolutely incredible. Making a new all-time high right now. Looking for LPBR right here. The LPBR. Can we get into LPBR? Can we get in the LPBR, please, one time? Come back! Come back! The OI pattern still, you don't get stopped out, right? Your stop loss was right here. We don't get stopped out. It actually makes a second entry long in this case. Crazy, 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 crazy. All types of craziness going on right now. I don't know about this one. A little bit confused. Confusion means sit on your paws. Okay. Huh. Clearly trading range. But the 5 minute clearly OI pattern might still work out. Going to the upside, making new all-time high. Tough, 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 tough. Keep making higher highs and higher lows. I'm going long. Pandas, don't be mad at me for being an idiot. Please don't be mad at me for being an absolute idiot right now. Whoop, whoop. Please don't be mad for being an idiot right now. Clearly trading range price action. I'm banking on a breakout right now, but no breakout bars. I'm trying to bank on a breakout before any breakout bars. It's absolutely stupid. Really dumb trade. Like, if you can think of a dumber trade, please let me know, but I don't think there is one. This is probably the dumbest trade of 2025 here. Clearly trading range price action. Clearly very risky trade. Clearly here. Clearly just completely sideways. Clearly being diabolical. Yeah, here I am. It's the second attempt. I got out at break even, but we're coming back up. It's a second attempt at this. Let's hold, pandas. Might as well. Imagine have holding it all the way through this already. And you're seeing this, like you're just gonna hold to the end. Give me a strong bull bar ending on its high. That would be marvelous. That would be marvelous. That would be so marvelous. All right, I'll take that. Looks okay. Strong bull bar ending on its high. You gotta love it. Strong bull bar ending on its high. One time. One time. Oh, that's the best. That's the best. Oh, you can't touch my one to one. You actually touched my one to one. Didn't fail me. Goodness. It actually touched my one to one, but didn't fill me. It like touched it perfectly. Now I'm gonna get stopped out. It's gonna reverse hard here. If it snaps back down like that at like target, usually means big reversal happening here. Usually means big reversal. But it touched my one to one perfectly. But I guess I was just too far in the queue to get filled. Too low in the queue to get filled here. Now I'm coming at break even if it does reverse. It literally touches my one to one like so perfectly. It's crazy. It actually touches it, but doesn't fill me. Like, how crazy is that? How spot on can you be? Oh, Rock Russ, that would tick me off. What do you think I am right now? You think I'm happy? You think I'm like happy about that? I too am. I too am ticked off. Literally, tick shotted me, shot me right in the tick. One thing it's good, right? The silver lining is this. At least we read it perfectly, right? At least we read what was going to happen perfectly, which was the one-to-one. At least we're reading it correctly here, in my opinion. That's what the bright side of things, right, Pandas? You gotta look at the bright side of things here. That's what I like to do. People just are just, at this point capitulating because they realize what I've been saying. Like it bounced off the one-to-one so perfectly. It's just not gonna go much further than this. It basically found the limit orders, right? It found like so many limit orders here. It got smacked back down so fast that people are just coming out now. They're doing exactly what I'm doing, thinking that this is just gonna reverse here. Yeah, at this point, might as well make some bamboo. I don't know, whatever. Again, because it's trading range price action, it could easily just come back into this trading range. It's not too far-fetched to think that, especially when the breakout fails. Oh, that was wild. That was wild. After all your trading, 1050, hey, that's better than me. Green is green. Green is green. You know what I mean, rough runs? Green is green. I mean, if we break this high, we got a chance to get filled here, but I have a feeling we're not going to break this high. I have a feeling we're going to break this low before we break this high. It's just a strange feeling I have. It's a strange feeling I have. Yep. A very strange feeling I have. Yep, yep, yeparoo. If we do break the high, though, I'm going to just try to get a little bit, squeeze a little bit more out of this. If we can break this high, then that's good news for us. If we can't break this high, it is what it is. If we can break this high, it could be a nice pop up. I'll take it. Okay, we wrote the high. I'll take it. I'll move everything to break even +1. Thinking if we broke this high, such a high chance to actually now test this again. Maybe even more, but let's just get the one-to-one. Let's focus on that first. I mean, I guess might as well try. I mean, if we're gonna keep popping out, might as well try here. I'm coming out everything break even here, so like we don't lose any money on this trade. But breaking this high made me feel like such a high chance to get another push up because it's supposed to reverse here, but it didn't. Because it didn't, I feel like this has a high chance to just pop up here now. Get a bull bar on a 5-minute chart ending there. It's not ending in the middle. Hopefully always and long on the 5-minute chart. That'd be great. Ooh, wonderful. Absolutely wonderful if we can get it. Always and long, but we're not getting it. In fact, we're just doing more of the same. We're going completely sideways. I thought if we broke this high, I thought if we broke this high, we're gonna test this high again, but I look at this. Like I said, it's not even what makes my P&L's not what makes me kind of frustrated today. It's the P it's the PA, not my PA, not my PL, but the PA, you know what I mean? Jaden Saints, welcome back. How's everything's good. This year's been great. It's been my best year of trading. Every year has been better than the last. Let's just say that. And this year we've made like so much money. It's actually crazy how much money we made this year. It's just actually insane. I love it. I love it, Panis. I absolutely love it. We're absolutely killing it this year. Right now we're kind of hitting a rough patch, but we'll get through it. We absolutely will get through it. Second entry long. I'm looking to go short now because that really failed. Right? It basically bounced off that one-to-one perfect. So insanely perfectly. It bounced a one-to-one and so insanely perfectly. I want to go short now. Because if it bounces off like that perfect, then you know a lot of bulls were weak. The bulls are super weak there. You know they were weak because of that. Looking for a fail second entry long if we can get it. All right, buy low, sell high, scalp. That's what we're trying to do now again. Two bear bars in a row. Strong bear bar. I might just sell here. Let's just see. Kicks and giggles. This is. Oh, okay. 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 I wasn't short. Fair enough. Missed it. All good in the hood. Hands, make sure you scalp that like button. Use code BBM also for uh 80% off Apex and 40% off TPT with no activation fee. Second entry long, but not interested here. Because I feel like we're trading range. We gotta go back to the bottom trading range. Or we could speed a channel. We have been in one for a long time. Multiple hits on it as well. I think the main kicker though is the fact that we hit that one-to-one we bounce off is so strong. Like I kind of just want to go short here. I'm gonna try. That's a prayers. So short. Good signal bar to go long. Really good signal bar to go long. Like delicious signal bar to go long. Very good signal bar to go long. People didn't see what I saw. Hitting that one-to-one perfectly, bouncing off of it made me see that the Bulls were super weak here. Bears were super strong at that one-to-one. Now I think we may get to the bottom of this trading range finally, once and for all. Let's see though. Thoughts and prayers. Here we go. Like if I'm gonna go short, this is gonna be it. This is the short. It feels like entry long. Like if I'm gonna try, this is gonna be it. This is gonna be the one. If I'm gonna try this, it's gonna be here. If it doesn't work out, pandas, at least I can say I tried. At least I say I tried. At least I can say that. Buy low, sell high, scalp. See if we can make that come true. Buy low, sell high, scalp. Possibly get to the bottom of some sort of trading range here, which would be nice. Bear bar ending near its low. Thinking maybe some follow through here, but we'll see. The 5 minute showing strong bear bar ending on its low, essentially. See any follow through, or maybe not. I just think so clearly trading range here. I gotta try the trading range. Bull trend's too strong. I don't think I'm gonna get this. Hey, it is what it is. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. I get hit. Fair enough. I tried. Right? If I'm gonna try to go short, like this is it. This was this was the chance to try to go short here. I could scale in one time. I have one scaling in me, but after that, I think I'm done here. I have one scaling in me. One scaling because I'm basically trying to trade the trading range at this moment. But you know, it could just be broad channel. I could just be playing a fool's game right now. Could be playing a fool's game right now. Could be playing a fool's game. Could be playing a fool's game. Two bear bars. Two bear moves here. Top of a trading range. I gotta try one time. Gotta try at least one time. Two bear bars at top of a trading range. I gotta try. I gotta try one time here. I think I gotta try one time, right? Another bear bar ending on slow. Top of a trading range. I would go short here. And the break of this high, I would say it's the end of me. And we'll call it a day. Since it is what it is, right? Right. All the criteria of a trading range have been met here. All the criteria of a trading range have been met. Can't seem to make a new low here. Can't seem to actually get there. I should just take a $50 loss. All right, came out break even. Like all the criteria of a trading range have been met. Full trend, pullback, break of new trend, and then you get a break of the low of this bull trend, or sorry, of this bull flag. So you got everything in the trading range. Um, you got all the rest. You got all the ingredients for a trading range all here. So your trading style is buy low, sell high, scalp. So I don't know how else to do it. I try to buy. I try to sell. You know, sell the reversal pattern here. Doesn't go very far now though. Two bear bars in a row now. I don't know. It's too confusing. Very difficult. Be right back. Ashraf asks, Panda, how do you manage your mood after a bad trading day? I'll let you know after today. I'll let you know how I manage my mood after today. Today is a bad trading day. What can I say? Everything I did was just failed. I already knew it was gonna be diabolical, yet here I am still trading. I've done 1340. It's not the worst day in the world. It's actually not too bad at all. I want to be like around negative 1,000, like max per day, but obviously I'm still trading here, so here we are, pandas. On those LPBR trades. Here we go. More LPBR, you know what I mean? We need more of that. We need more LPBR. Buy low, sell high, scalp. That's what we're looking for. Your trade was actually here to go short here. That actually was the trade to go short here. And you can scalp out. You see a lot of people scalped out. They pop back up. That's how you know they scalped. Came back up. They sold here and the scalping again. Right? Scalped here as well. You can see these wicks are all people because they scalped. I mean, I mean, if you're gonna let me bounce off the 20 MA, I'm gonna try on a day like today, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? One of these type of days, you know? Buy low, sell high, scalp, you know? It's almost more reason to try this. People buying all this pivot low. They're not even getting down to the 20 MA. It's how ridiculous we are. It's how ridiculous it is. Buy low, sell high, scalp. Is the name of the game. Bananas. The thing is, like, when I say scalp, I mean like 10 points only. Like, put a scalper way out of this. And you gotta have wide stop, scale in. It's actually the name of the game. It's crazy. And you'd be shocked, right? For instance, if you traded Friday and you saw this discussing price action here and this discussing price action here, in fact, all of this price action here was quite disgusting. All that is discussing. Actually, if you just kept selling at the previous pivot highs, right? You sold this pivot high, you made bamboo. You sold this pivot high, you might not make bamboo, but eventually, if you keep your stop wide enough, you would have made a lot of bamboo. That's the name of the game. When you see discussing price action, you gotta buy low, sell high, scalp. That's the only way to do it. Your probability greatly increases, right? To actually have positive EV if you have a wide stop. Look at we're not gonna be able to get to the bottom of the trading range. We get to like this pivot low, and that's it. Like we're not getting much further than that. I'm not gonna buy this pivot low. It's not good enough for me. I want to get at least the 20 MA on the 5 minute chart. At the bare minimum, 20 MA 5 minute. Bare minimum, you know what I mean? Is it best to avoid September altogether? No, September's a good. It's actually pretty good. Like if you look at the volatility, it's actually pretty decent. It's just it's going very sideways, fortunately. Unfortunately. I think September is probably one of the best months to trade, actually. Summer was horrid. Funny enough, the summer was like some of the worst price action ever, but I made like the most money I've ever made. It's actually crazy. Still getting used to this buy low, sell high scalp trading style, but I think to me, it's the bigger issue is just like my patience. Staring at this all day, looking forward to get to the bottom. Not only just get to the bottom, but it has to be like a decent setup at the bottom. Like here was a decent setup. This was a decent setup here. In my opinion, this was an okay setup to go short. Like this was probably wow. That's a small arrow. Can anyone in the world even see what that is? I don't think so. Oh, look at it bounce off the 20 and make perfectly here. That's crazy. Cool. No like entry here. Whatever. Do I get to the top of the trading range? Who knows? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Oh. Alright. Don't tell on me, but yours truly is gonna try to buy low, sell high, and scalp. We're gonna go for it, pandas. Bear bar ending on its low. Reversal setup. We're gonna buy low, sell high, scalp, knowing that we're in a trading range. And we're gonna try it, pandas. Thoughts and prayers. Top of the trading range. Bottom trading range back to the top of the trading range. You know what I mean, pandas. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying right now, pandas. That's all I can say right now. When I say scalp, I want 10 points, but I don't know if we're even get 10 points. I might just scalp at like 5 points. Maybe middle of the trading range is as far as I can get. Maybe middle of the trading range. It's not even 5. It's not even 10 points. Is it like, like when you're like struggling to find a 10-point trade, you should stop. Like at this point, like I can't even find a 10-point trade that's like even worth taking. What's the point of trading? Like literally trading for scraps right now. Like I'm having a hard time even holding for 10 points here. Buy low, sell high, scalp. Let's get to the middle of trading range, shall we? It's not 10 points, but beggars can't be choosers. It's not 10 points, but beggars can't be choosers, you know what I mean? Middle of the trading range? Pretty please? Pretty please? Not even the middle of the trading range. Let's go. If you're gonna avoid trading, I would avoid the summer. Avoid the summer and like Christmas week into the New Year's. You know what I mean? Like those are like the really low volatility type days. Like I'm fighting tooth and nail for like scraps here right now, Pandas. Like tooth and nail for some scrappity doos. What is this nonsense? For some scraps here. Fighting tooth and nail for some scrapalicious. I mean, I want to scalp 10 points. I want to scalp half of the trading range. Nothing's happening here, Pandas. This is crazy. Why am I even trading right now? We're gonna go deep. We're going deep here, Pandas. We're going deep. Don't tell on me. Don't tell. We're going deep on this one, Pandas. This is an LPBR trade right now. LPBR trade. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Can you please, one time, not fly up and rip my face off? Just one time, please. What in the world is happening? I'm fighting tooth and nail for like 5 points. Like, they said trading would make me rich. That's what they told me. Where are my riches? Surely we'll make some money on this trade, right? Surely this would be the one. The lower high fails like entry long trade. Back to the bottom of the trade. Truly we'll make some money here, right? Truly. It's just, we have to, right? Truly we'll make some money here, right? Truly. We'll make a little money here. Truly, right? I'm not even holding passes. What is going on here? They said scalping was profitable. That's what they told me. And here I am, scalping for scraps. Fighting tooth and nail for 5 points right now. It's just silly. Tooth and nail for 5 points? Is this even worth it here? I mean, this is trading range price action, right? I gotta trade it like so. I gotta trade it like so. If it's trading range price, I gotta trade it like so. Bottom of the trading range to the top of the trading range, like to the bottom of the trading range. Does that make sense, or am I going crazy here? Am I actually going crazy here? Fighting tooth and nail for 5 points, pandas. That's what kind of trading day we have today. That's the price action telling us. You got to fight tooth and nail for 5 points. What is this nonsense? LPBR trade. Here we go. My favorite setup, the LPBR trade. You gotta love the LPBRs. LPBR, here we come. The fact that we couldn't get back to the bottom of the training range or testing the top again makes it potentially able to break out now. But look at this price action. Like, are you really scared this is gonna go very far? Like, I don't know. I'm not really scared. I just feel like it's so certainly like gonna continue the trading range here. It's just crazy. It's so certain to me, but whatever. I'm not sure. The execution is the hard part about this day. Right? To be able to execute on days like today, be able to hold a big risk, hold through the big risk. You know what I mean? Hold through all the big risk. It's that's the hard part about days like today. That's the difficult part about days like today. Holding through like really big risk. Like, unnecessarily big, but you gotta hold. That's the only way to make this day have positive EV is to hold these big risk days. Hold these big risk trades. Wide stop, scale in, near the top. I'm in the middle of the middle of the trading range, trying to get in, but at a certain point in time, you do realize you're wrong. You just gotta stop doing scaling in. But we'll try one time, thinking it's obviously trading range. So nasty, this price action. Just like can't describe it, other than it's being completely disgusting. So we're gonna try to take advantage of the fact that we know how disgusting it is, and we're gonna try to reverse it. At every single new high, we're gonna try to reverse. It's gonna like erroneously make you think it's gonna really break out and trend, but that's how they get you. It's truly how they get you. The bull bars have followed through at the top of the trading range is annoying. Because now you're wondering, did I make a boo-boo here trying to scale in? Am I making a big boo-boo here scaling in? Whatever. It's like a low EV day. It's like very difficult to like make 5 points on a day like today. Just like even 5 points. It's very difficult. Alright, we're in this, made a new high. Hopefully the pain is not too much here. Hopefully the fact that we can see that it's a pure trading range, we can take advantage of this. Hopefully. But we'll see. I mean, we could get really hurt here. That's like the risk of days like today. It's like a lot of risk for very little reward. It's just not worth on days like today. But I mean, we're like pretty much at the top of the trading range here, if this is a trading range. And either we get really hurt here, or we come out like break even, like a high probability coming out break even. That's the two options here. High probability come out break even, or we get really, really like deep red today. Deep red is not even that bad. Right now. Yeah, 2K loss. Darn. Oh, I hate to see it, but it is what it is. You hate to see the 2K loss, but it is what it is. Trying to trade days like today. I'm trying to get better at like trading range days, but very hard to execute. Very difficult to execute because you gotta really hold through like big, big like wide stops. You gotta really hold through them. And you know, hopefully reading the price action can help. But even this is like, who knows? Maybe it's gonna break out now. It's always a scary thing. Like I feel like I can come out break even here, especially with this big bear bar, but we'll see. Like it can just reverse back up and just fly up. Sure, why not? Any point in time. But the price action to me just seems so disgustingly trading range. Like I just gotta like trust that this is gonna continue to just be more of the same. I gotta trust it. And if it's not, this is the final stop here. I just get hit here. It's big pain, but I think it's worth it because of the obvious price action, in my opinion. Like the price action is so obviously like trading range. I gotta try. I gotta trade with it. I gotta trade according to this price action, right, which is buy low, sell high, scalp, wide stop, scale in. Like that's the only way to really do this. And hopefully I come out break even here, but we'll see. It might just bounce up and just fly. Who knows? Anything can happen on these type of days. Think I can come out break even here? Looks good to come out break even. Maybe not. Maybe so. Maybe I can skunk it at $100 loss. Maybe it flies up here. Truly nobody knows. Truly nobody knows here. I just feel like it's such a high chance I come out break even at least. Yeah, I come out break even. Okay. Makes sense. It's just the type of day. My mistake was selling here when I should have sold up here and sold again up here. That was the right way to do this trade, and I would have made money selling here, right on the scalp here. That was a better trade. I thought we'd get back to the bottom trades, but I didn't like execute correctly. Like, to execute correctly, you gotta buy low, sell high. I didn't sell high. I sold medium, like sold middle. That was my mistake. This is why I'm still practicing days like today. And another mistake, I traded 4 contracts altogether, which is terrible. Terrible idea on a day like today. So like I end up holding big risk for no reason. I'm just down 1305. It's not even the worst day, but it's not the best day. Let's just say that, Pandas. It's not the worst day. Some of my best days. Birthdays used to be the worst days. Now I sip champagne when I'm thirsty. Where's that from, Pandas? Anyone know where that's from? Birthdays. Birthdays used to be the worst days. Now I sip champagne when I'm thirsty. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Nobody? Nobody? All right. Fair enough. Jeez Louise, Pandas. Like, what a day to just trade for a long time. What a day to trade for a long, long, long time. So long. So long. Like, you gotta really consider, like, are days like today worth the trading? Look at the 5-minute chart. Like, are days like today worth trading? Like, spike channel, basically, just if I do this. Probably something like this. It's kind of wacky. Right? Usually when you have a channel, it's like a little more slanted. This is like pretty horizontal. I don't know. I guess you can do like this. Make it more. Got a wedge, 1, 2, 3 pushes up, but clearly above the 20. We haven't tested the 20 EMA yet on 5-minute chart, but this could break out now. Jeez Louise, could break out now. I just don't like trading wedges though. Like I don't want to trade long into a wedge, even though it looks like it can break out here. We'll see. Yes, I'll be right back. All right, pandas. Are we breaking out here is the question. The market is moving so incredibly slow. I don't even know if it's worth continue trading this. Sorry for a long wait. I mean, I just jump in here. Do we admit that now we're breaking out of a disgusting bull flag, ascending wedge, bull bar ending on its high? It's not even always in long trade here. Some overlap here on these bars. Ah, this is tough. I don't know. I mean, if it is, I just gotta buy anywhere, everywhere. Lots of overlap here, though. What am I doing here, pandas? Why am I still here? Why am I still trading? Big breakout. Small pullback bull trend. Could be worth just jumping in. Anywhere, everywhere. This price action was so disgusting. I don't think the market is gonna. I mean, it's gross. Like, it makes you feel like it was just come back down here and maybe just spike in channel. It could still be an uptrend, but I just don't feel strongly about this breakout here. Okay. Again, we'll be trading for scraps here if we try to jump in this move up. Just trying to trade for some scraps. Is it worth it, Bandits? Is it even worth it? We're trading for some scraps here. We got like pretty chopped up here, I guess. We got 1300. It's not even the worst day, really. The P&L is not what I'm worried about. What I'm really more concerned about is the fact that this day is just absolute horrid. But pandas, it makes sense, right? Because later this week we have some huge news, really big news. Like this week we have the FOMC. We got Fed funds rate on Wednesday. I mean, the market could literally just be chopping around until then. It's so sick, so sick. Like the market just wants to wait for the Wednesday's news, and so hence Monday and Tuesday, today and tomorrow, could be just chop fest. It really could be. I wouldn't be surprised. I really wouldn't be surprised at all, actually. I guess I'm looking for a short trade here. Thinking wedge just formed. You know, something like this. Some wedge somewhere in a trading range type situation. Albrook says he loves wedges, but I just don't get them. Like for me, most wedges fail, and like to me, it's really hindsight bias. Is the only time you can see when a wedge really works. I don't know. I don't know if it's just me, but the wedge thing is confusing. Really confusing me. Really confuses me. Okay. Strong bear move. Just on the 20 EMA though. Nothing to hoot and holler about. I could try to go short here. I mean, this is a strong bear bar. I may try to go short. Again, because I know what kind of day we are in. We're in a trading range day. So if I see a strong bear bar here, top of a trading range, I may just have to jump in here and scale in. Worst comes to worst. You know what I mean? Worst comes to worst, I scale in and it'll probably come out break even. And that's the worst case scenario. Okay. Okay. No opinion on this. Obviously, it's bearish, but within this one bar, there was a lot of movement. Curious to see what happens here. It's always in short currently. Okay. Two always in short candles in a row. Heh. Huh. 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 Looking for 10 points. Come on. Give me those 10 points. Looking for 10 points. If we don't get it, we'll scale in. Blah, 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 blah. You know how the story goes. We'll come up break even. Again. And again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Just because I know what kind of day it is. Absolute filthy price action day. So let's trade accordingly. Buy low, sell high, scalp. That's the idea. Here, see? I'm looking for 10 points, man. Seriously, like 10 points? Is that too much to ask for here? Apparently so. Apparently, 10 points is too much to ask for. Apparently. Jeez. Forget about it. Just forget about it. What's that? What does it do with that? Bear bars have no follow through. Is that the idea? Even after a strong wedge pattern on an absolute diabolical day. I don't know. It's what it is. Oh, wow. I mean, like I said, worst case scenario, probably come out break even. That's the worst case scenario. Hmm, cool. Maybe I should just go long. Why am I trying to keep going short here? Why am I keep trying to trade the trading range, counter trend trade? I should just be going long every single trade here. Look at this, Kim. Look at this. This is marquee of trading range. Like, it's not even like, to me, this is a good thing for me because it means it's just continuing to be absolutely diabolical. So if it's diabolical, that means I want to continue to trade it like it's diabolical by wide stops, scaling in, and yeah, that's the best way to trade days like today. Wide stop scaling. It's the best way to trade days like today. Buy low, sell high, scalp, and wide stops scaling. Like that right there just means I want to go short at a strong bull bar. I just want to go short. I don't care. Bull bar, no follow through. Bull bar, no follow through. Bull leg, no follow through. Wait, makes a new low here. Bull legs, no follow through. Bear bar, no follow through. Bull bar, probably no follow through. I don't like how it bounced off this pivot high though. Right. Acting as resistance, now acting as support. I don't like that. Makes me feel like maybe the bull trend is a lot stronger than I think. Every time we made new highs, bears had an opportunity to make some bamboo. Every time we made new highs, bears had some opportunity to make some bamboosies. Bambooskies. Every time we made a new high, right? Every time we made a new high, we made this high, right? We broke this high. Bears made some bambooskies. We broke this high. Bears made some bambooskies. Now, if we break this high, can bears make some bambooskies? I think so. At least that's the pattern we see. And the wedge top, trading range, diabolical trading range. Hasn't touched a 20 EMA yet. I don't know. There's a lot of things going for it to go short here. To continue to go short. Who knows? Maybe this is a forever, never-ending bull trend right now. It may start. Could be. And I will get hurt from that. I will certainly get hurt from that. Okay, Arlo. I don't know, Pan. I don't know what's happening anymore. I mean, even if it does go up, like, how many points am I really risking here? Like, how many points? 20 points? Actually, it's kind of a lot. Kind of a lot, right? It's a low prob, high, big risk trade. Those are my favorite type of trades. Low probability, big risk. That's all I've been doing today. Closing, guys. When buying TPT test accounts, you do a simulation. It's very clear. They give you pretty clear instructions on how to set it up, though. I wouldn't like come on YouTube and ask those questions, to be honest. Like I would go to their articles, their help articles. But it is a simulation. I mean, they have like videos on how to set it all up and blah 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 blah. I mean, we could get like a what you call it, like a you know bear squeeze here. We squeeze the bears out now. Who knows? I certainly don't care. I certainly don't care what happens here because it's such a like it's just the pattern we've been seeing all day. Every time we make a new high, we have an opportunity to make money as a bear. Happened here, right? Happened here. We broke this high. We had tons of opportunity to make money. Happened here. We broke this high. At least a scalp. And now we broke this high, and hopefully we'll have some opportunity to make some bamboo here as well. I mean, I think we have opportunity to make at least come up break even. And if not, I think I have like one more scale in me to try one more time. That's that's about it. I have one more scale in. That's about it. Wide stop. I mean, but the thing is, the wide stop could be really big. It could be really big. The problem is when you trade minis, like you just don't have that much wiggle room, to be honest, with the minis. Hopefully, we can make some bamboo here. We'll see. If not, it is what it is. Good question. Every time we make a new high, we'll have an opportunity to come up break even, in my opinion. It'll just take that one time to be wrong to really get hurt. But it is what it is. The probability's too high here to not try. And this is what trading is. Like you literally just stare at this. Like this is what today is gonna be. Just staring at the market with a blank stare, just waiting for it to do the obvious stuff. But Maybe that's what I should wait. Who knows? Now, right, it has converted into buy low, sell high. This disgusting price action here. Joffrey says, staring until it does the opposite of the obvious stuff. Yep. Just waiting. Feels like I just short, but I have no clue how high it's gonna go. It's kind of breaking the pattern now of, every time it makes a new high, it gives you an opportunity to make bamboo. Oh, no. Much different from here to here? Not really. I'll just hold. Hold! It fails. Should be a nice push down here. We'll see. Like I said, I felt confident going short here because if I was wrong, I knew I had an opportunity to come out break even if I just sold the top. That's just the name of the game. I mean, when you see a bear bar like this ending on its low, you kind of want to try to sell to get to the 20 EMA, especially when we have a wedge top like this. That was my reasoning, and I felt like even if I was wrong here, I could probably go short again and come out break even if, worst comes to worst. If worst comes to worst, which is basically what's happening here, worst comes to worst. Worst comes to worst, come out break even, in my opinion, but we'll see. Maybe a bounce up here off the 20 May. I don't know. Maybe we'll just fly. Anything can happen. Question is, do I keep scaling in to come out break even, or do I just cut my losses here? I don't know. Too hard to say. They could fly here. I don't know. Could really fly. Look at this, pandas. Like, what are we doing here? Buy low, sell high, scalp. That's what they're doing here, right? It went down. How many points was this? It broke this high. It's not even 10 points. At a certain point in time, they came out at 10 points and and you see it reverse back up. That's where the buy low, sell high scalpers took their profits, in my opinion. I could be a little greedy here. Should we be a little greedy and see if we can make some money actually on this trade? Nah. I come out break even. When I'm wrong, I just come out as soon as I can. If I'm wrong, I just come out. Like, if you're kind of wrong on a trade, just come out break even, in my opinion. Guess I could have came up break even there, but oh, there it is. What do we do? Like I said, like I felt confident going short here because I felt like if we made a new high, we could make bamboo, right? Every time a new high was made, as you can see, we've had opportunity to make bamboo. So we'll call this a broad channel. Al Brooks calls it broad channel, right? We have a broad channel happening right now. And broad channel, both bears and bulls make money. But bears scalp, bulls swing. That's what they're doing here. And we took advantage of the fact that we knew that, and we took a trade that potentially could have made us some good bamboo, but because we had the safeguard, it's not even, it's really hard for me to even like trying to figure out how should I draw my channel to capture this move really. I don't know. Seems like something like this, but I don't know. Maybe it's like, I don't know, something along these lines. I have no clue. It seems like it's something like this. Like, forget the channel. Actually, broad channel. Let's keep the broad channel. 'Cause that's what it looks like we have here. Broad channel. The characteristics of a broad channel is you can buy, you can scalp or swing, you can sell, you can only scalp when you sell. It's just weird. To be honest, I'd have it something like this. This is like one of those days. Maybe you could practice scalping on days like today. It's very difficult. It's just when you look, oh, man, the 2500 tick chart actually captures it a lot better. Captures the spike in channel a lot better. Like it's every close has basically been contained within this channel, except this close right here. Every close has been contained in this channel here. Oh, the 2500 tick. Pretty gross stuff, if you ask me. Pretty sick. The 2500 tick. Truly amazing data trade. Astonishing. No opportunities. That's the problem, right? Days like today. Just no opportunities. Absolutely no opportunities whatsoever. Like I said, I'm not even upset about my P&L. I'm not upset. I'm not upset about my PL. I'm upset of the PA. You know what I mean? The price action. It's not about the P&L. I could care less. 12 minus 1200. It's like I can make that back in 1 day, 2 days, whatever. It's the fact that this day has no opportunities, yet we're still here. Looking for that one magical trade. Are we gonna ever get it? Who knows? Close says Brooks teaches that after it's starting running in your favor, you should add and not close. I would say on strong trend days, that's true. Strong trend days, that's true. On a day like today where there's a lot of back and forth, you do not want to add. You want to do the opposite because you want to scalp. You just want to get out. Because if it keeps reversing, if the markets would continue to reverse, then you don't have much room to swing. You don't have much room to add. When you add, you might add at the wrong place. Jamar says the MOC, yeah, market close the 10 minutes before the regular trading hours ends. It's like you get a lot of volatility. Okay, strong bear buying out low. Hey, hey, are you finally gonna get this trade? Do I just sell anywhere, everywhere? I could have made money on this trade actually. I'm about to sell anywhere, everywhere. I'm about to sell anywhere, everywhere. Be patient. Be patient here. I'm about to sell anywhere, everywhere. I just wait for a new high again. Is it that easy? Is it actually that easy today? Just every time a new high is created, just sell. It can't be that easy, right? Nothing's that easy. But maybe that's our edge today. Recognizing this pattern. I'm gonna sell again here. We'll try one more time. By the way, pandas, make sure you guys roll over. Roll over to 12.25. You're wondering like, oh, your candles look so different than mine because you haven't rolled over. I'll be patient here. I have no urgency to really jump in here or whatever. Truly don't care. Truly do not care. Mm. Technically, this is the best trade. I guess technically this is the best trade I can really set up. All right, let's try. Just a little teeny weeny scalp here. Look for 5 points or something like that. Just for the obvious thing it's gonna do. Test 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Like the most obvious thing you can possibly imagine. Oh, why? Why? Why don't you test the 20 EMA ever? One time. One time, one time, one time. Top of the broad channel, maybe get to the bottom of the broad channel would be nice. Hitting the bottom of this channel here. It's gonna be a dummy trade. Dumb trade, right? Getting very little bamboo for this trade. High probability, big risk though. This is a HPBR. It's a little better than an LPBR. But they got the HPBR here. Forget about it. We're just not gonna make any money today. We're just not gonna make any money today. It's just not possible. It's just not possible. We're not gonna make any money today. And we're gonna just keep breaking even every single trade. That's just what today's gonna be about. Which is like not the worst. If you know you can come out break even on days like today, it's like it's not the worst, right? Surprisingly bullish though. Now we got a double bottom here setting up. Yeah, I don't know. Double bottom, higher low. I want to go through all of that again. Knowing it's a trading range day. Like I thought we are gonna test a 20 EMA. I thought we were gonna test a 20 EMA. You know what I mean, Panis? Thought we're gonna test a 20 EMA. Thought we are gonna test it with this hidden fail second entry long. Thought we are gonna test it. Guess not. Guess we're just not gonna do anything. You know what? I'm just gonna keep shorting it until we test a 20 EMA. How about that? How about that, apples, Panis? Just keep shorting it until we test a 20 EMA today. We're gonna short every bar until we test a 20 EMA. That's the new strategy, Pandas. Until we test a 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart, we will short every bar. Goodness gracious. So stupid. It's gonna come to the point where the 20 EMA is gonna be higher than our break even. So we're just gonna lose money no matter what. It's gonna be the dumbest thing ever. Double bottoms here. I don't know. Maybe it's a strong balance, but again, trading range price action, like insanely disgusting. Insanely disgusting. I don't know. I don't even care. Insanely disgusting here. I almost just want to sell it here, actually. I almost want to sell it here, but look at that. Disgusting. I mean, it double bottoms off of this pivot high, which could be concerning if you're short, right? Basically, I came in right at the bounce again. I thought we are gonna break through this time. Like, I don't know if I want to scale in again. Like, I think I'll just take the hit. I think I'll just take the hit this time. It's a big hit, but I just want to prevent myself from like really being something bad. Because we got a double bottom off a breakout retest. I don't know, man. This is crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Jeez Louise. Talk about diabolical. Look at this. I mean, do I just try again? I mean, how many bullets can I dodge here? Let's see. Let's see today. How many bullets can I actually dodge today? Let's try. I just, this is insane. It's actually crazy. This price action. I'm gonna short every bar until I come out until I test a 20 MA on the 5 minute chart. Look at this. I mean, this could fly. Should I go long here? Should I like look for a breakout at this point? Because it's so absolutely ridiculous right now. Should I look for a breakout now instead of like trying to go short here? Should I just actually look for a breakout and just like watch this fly into oblivion? I mean, this looks pretty bullish. We got like massive bull bars here, lots of follow through. Nope, I will short it here. Shorting it. I do not care. I'm shorting every bar until we test a 20 EMA. 5 minutes. All right. Well, man, I'm a panda of my word. I'm going to go short every single bar on the 5 minute chart until we test 20 MA. I mean, we have just been diabolically choppy. Testing the 20 MA will just be like, it's just a part of today's price action, in my opinion. It might break out here, but the chances are slim. It might break out here, but chances are slim. If anything, trading range. Starting to develop again. I just hate to like, I have to hold like $1,000 risk here. I just hate the fact that I may have to do that. Just hold until we test the 20 MA pandas, or come out break even. What do I do here? Come out break even or hold until we test the 20 MA? Can I be a panda of my word here? Can I be a panda of my word? I will sell every single 5 minute bar until we test the 20 MA. Wow. Test your might. Test your might. Mortal Kombat. I can cut my break even. But like I said, I'm gonna sell every 5 minute bar until we test a 20 MA. How many bars has it been before we tested it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 bars without testing the 20 MA. I mean, eventually, like if it was like a super strong bull trend, then I'll be like, all right, maybe we won't test the 20 MA till way later. But this is like so diabolically choppy. The 20 EMA is just like it's just gonna be just part of having. We're just gonna test it. Like it's just so obvious we're gonna test this 20 EMA. I might have made a boo boo here. Maybe I should come out break even. I'm a panda of my word. Like I said, pandas. I'm a panda of my word. I will sell every 5 minute candle until we test the 20 EMA here. Just watch and see with your own panda eyes what's about to happen. Just wait and see. Just watch and see, pandas. Just watch and see. Are you ready? Are you ready to witness something amazing here? I'm kind of worried that people who went short here came out break even here because it kind of bounced off my break even spot. So I feel like traders did exactly what I did. They went short here and bears went short again here and this came out break even. Now there's no more bears here to keep pushing this down. So I'm like, I'm a little worried. You know what I mean, Pandas? I'm a little bit worried here. But let's find out. Oh, jeez. This is gonna be a big pain, huh? It's surely gonna be a big pain. But like I said, I'm a panda of my word. Every 5 minute close, I will sell it until we test the 20 MA. Just watch. I'm a panda of my word. Just wait. You're gonna witness something amazing here. Get ready for something amazing here, pandas. Get ready to witness something absolutely incredible here. I have no idea what's gonna happen. Oh boy. Oh boy. If this starts like breaking out, I'm gonna feel it. I'm truly gonna feel it. If this starts breaking out, I'm gonna feel this like there is no tomorrow. I'm truly gonna feel this like there's no tomorrow if this starts to break out here like crazy. I could come out break even here, but like I said, I am a panda of my word. I will hold it until we test a 20 EMA. Just because on a day like today, we have no business not testing it after 40 some bars. I can't do it. I can't do it. Can I do it? Pandas! Oh! Oh! Hold! 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 Pandas. Hold! Juicy is a song from earlier. You got it. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you a true player. Pandas! Can we get it before it takes me out break even? One time. Don't take me out break even, please. Shall I let this candle finish? Shall I let this candle finish? Pandas. We might make some bamboo actually on this trade. So crazy if we can actually make some money today. Like, I would be ecstatic if we can actually make money on this trade. 13, 12 point trade, not the worst. Probably come out break even. Yeah, it's a taking out break even. I don't want to hold it beyond this, you know what I mean? If it takes me a break, I don't want it to reverse and like blast off. Like that would be the worst case scenario here. Like blast off and yeah, just whatever. I come out break even. Uh, what can you do about it, Pandas? I don't want it to blast off and I just get like destroyed for no reason. Uh, you know. What can you do, Pandas? What can you do? What can you do about it? You know what I mean? What can you do about it? Pandas. But I did sell the clothes every single time. And we came out break even, but I was gonna hold it, but because we had a strong push down, I thought we can at least protect our or take our risk off on that trade. I think that was the right thing to do. Even if it didn't, even if I didn't hold it to the 20 MA, like I think that was the best thing we can do here. Birthdays used to be the worst days. Now I sip champagne when I'm thirsty. I mean, those lyrics, Pandas. Those lyrics. Those lyrics. This is insane. Look at no close has been outside of this channel. Except this one close here. Gotta ruin it for everybody. I mean, I might as well just put it here and include it. There. Now, no closes outside this channel. Goodness gracious. 5 minutes still hasn't tested the 20 EMA, which is freaking sick. That is disgusting. The fact that we didn't test this 20 EMA, that is just filthy. It's filthy. I'm telling you, it's filthy. So incredible. Again, I think that's the best trade here. Go short here. Big bear bar. May go short here. Who knows? I guess I should have held. But really, do I want to hold beyond break even? Like when it looks so diabolical. Do I really want to hold it beyond break even? You know what I mean, Pandas? I think I made the right move. All right, last attempt here. We will try to test the 20 EMA on the 5 minute chart. Possibly the bottom of this broad channel. Possibly here. All we want to do is test the 20 EMA. Really, that's what we're trying to do here, if we can get to it. Like, is it really that hard? I mean, is it gonna be that hard for us? Whatever. If it is, it is. If it comes back up here, I'm done. That's, it's just no reason to keep trying. Like, if it comes back up here, we're done with this trade. It is what it is. I mean, do I look for a 1-to-1, or do I just take it at the 20 EMA? 20 EMA it is. Make a little bit of bamboo today, hopefully. I mean, it just looks like a head and shoulders at the top of a broad channel. Like, it kind of makes sense to even go lower than this. You know what? For kicks and giggles, let's have a one runner. Kicks and giggles here. The 5 minute 20 EMA just absolutely diabolical here. Like, are we gonna even test it? Who knows? We may not even test it. It just looks like a good short here now. Right? Basically head and shoulders, top of a trading range type day, top of the trading like I don't know. Even if I lose this, I feel like it's still a good, like, good trade to try. I feel like I need more than this to make it worth it, though. You know what I mean? I feel like I want a little bit more. Like, at least a one-to-one. 1-to-1 in this trade? Typically, what you look for is a one-to-one. That's diabolical. I'm gonna get stopped out here, huh? It's gonna stop me out, isn't it? This is gonna be absolutely diabolical. This is gonna stop me out. I think it's worth the trade. It's a fail second entry long. I think it's worth it. It's just such an obvious, like, test of the 20 you made here, no? Whatever. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I'm fine with whatever happens here. It's so stupid. All right, let's just let it play out, pandas. You guys say you at least tried. At least I can say I at least tried. I at least tried to do what made sense here. Head and shoulders pattern, top of the broad channel, 20 EMA, like hasn't been tested yet on the 5-minute chart. We're right there. I'm just thinking, maybe it's time to test it. We're so close to it. We're like a couple ticks away from testing it. And this is gonna take me out, isn't it? Ah, trading can be so bittersweet sometimes. You know what I mean, Panis? Truly can be so bittersweet. We hold for a decent push to the downside maybe here now. Or maybe not. We're at a place where we're not even able to come out break even anymore. Where the trade is now going against us. Every time it comes back to our break even, it starts to pop up, showing that other traders probably went short here, maybe trying to reverse their trades now. Seeing that it failed, right? The fails again tree, long failed. It's coming back up. It might just continue the trading range up here. And it might it might get shot back down once it touches this. It might come right back down, but who knows? Come out break even here if you like. If you just don't like the price action currently, then you can just come out break even. Of course, yours truly will be holding. Yours truly will be holding here. Clearly beneath the 20 MA now. Got a lot of things going for you to go short, in my opinion here. And if it don't work out, it don't work out. You know what I mean, Brandon? You know what I mean? If it don't work out, it just don't work out. Name of the game. It's the name of the game today. Still beneath the 20 MA, I think it's worth trying to hold. Clearly beneath the 20 MA. Closes beneath the 20 MA. Head and shoulders pattern, obviously, hopefully can work out here, but maybe not. I mean, I've got a head and shoulders. I'm just gonna hold. Like, I'm gonna just try here one time. Probably best trade we're gonna get all day today. And it's just diabolical right now. Can we just break the low of this candle? I'll be very happy. Okay. It's a good sign. That's not a good sign, right? The moment it triggers this trap, it reversed up like that. It's usually not a good sign, pandas. Usually a very bad sign. The moment you enter the trade and it just wham reverses like that, usually a very bad sign for you. Typically. Very bad. We hold for no reason. Hold for no reason on this trade. I don't know why. We're trying to hold this trade forever. Give me a big push down so I can take off my risk, please. All right. Taking the risk off. If it don't push down now, just gonna consider it a loss. If it don't push down now, just consider it an absolute failure. Beautiful, nothing happening. But guess what? The 20 EMA was tested eventually. Yeah, it takes my break even to push it down. It is what it is. I don't care. It's like this is like absolute diabolical trading day. It's just like diabolical. It did push down. I tried to take out my risk and then took out too soon. Should let the candle finish maybe. I don't know. I could care less. This is just diabolical though. So as what copy trader you use? I'm working on automating and testing my strategies so I can start my 5 Apex accounts tomorrow. I use Replicanto. No, I don't know if it's the best, but I think it's good enough. Just pushed down kind of far where I thought it was gonna at least push down. Not a 1-to-1 yet on that trade, but your head and shoulders pattern obviously forming here. Obviously also came out break even too soon. I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna get a better setup than that. That's about it. We tested a 20 MA, so we don't have much else to test. Maybe bottom of this broad channel. Got a wedge top, 4 pushes up actually. It's just crazy, 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 crazy. Terrible day to trade. Terrible price action. Down 1275, but the worst part is no opportunities. There's just no opportunities, right? That's the worst part about today. It's not even about being red today. I don't mind. It's the fact that there was no opportunities here, and because of that, I'm gonna end it here. So extended stream for no reason, essentially. Like extended stream for essentially no reason because no opportunity today to trade, no opportunities to make money. Your movements really like this is not even a 10-point move, and I put it up here. I entered a trade here. Like this is a 10-point move. We haven't even made a 10-point move yet on like a disgusting reversal pattern here. It just shows that it's just diabolical. I mean, if we go up, I'll buy. We got triple bottom 1, 2, 3. Like, if you're gonna reverse out of the triple bottom, I'm just gonna buy. At this point, I don't care. Like, that's crazy. 1, 2, 3, triple bottom, triple bottom. You serious? I broke this resistance. Broke this resistance. Retested it 3 times now. Are you kidding me? That's stupid. That's just absolute stupid. Bear bar. I mean, if you're a bear, at a certain point in time, you're convinced just to go short, no matter what. And I still haven't seen it in the price action. Still haven't seen that bar that says, "Oh, this is where everyone went in short." Could be this bar. Could be. Ah, this is filthy. What am I looking at here right now? This is insane. Third triple bounce. Trading range, obviously. What am I fighting for here? Like, how many points am I fighting for here? Like, 5 points? Again, not worth trading today. Yet here I am. Continue to trade. I'm gonna end it at 1 just because it's just completely worthless. I'm gonna end today at 1. It is just completely worthless price action. No opportunities to get in. No opportunities to make bamboo today. It is what it is. Absolutely filthy. That's filthy. Filthy. buy low, sell high scalp, but all right, we finally kind of break this. We finally kind of like get a move on the head and shoulders pattern here. Big bear bar, not even. Okay, bear bar. Maybe that's the candle people are waiting for. I don't know. I guess that's the candle people were waiting for. Some breakout candle now. Maybe. Yeah, that was the candle they were waiting for. They finally got it. It took forever. But the close of this bar, you can see the moment it closed, you can see all the bears jumping in at once. That was the moment where the bears felt confident and say, hey, now we know that we should go short here. Like, it took a long time, but that was the candle that confirmed for the bears to just go short. At least for a scalp. But the silly thing is, Pandas, it went 5 points. Like, seriously, 5 points. Like, that's what we're dealing with. We're looking for 5 point scalps on a $25,000 product. Stupid. So stupid. $25,000 instrument. We're looking for 5 points. Like, it's so stupid. So worthless, you know? Ooh, we got to close outside of this. Testing the 20 EMA once again. Too hard to tell what's going to happen. It is what it is. So, Pandas, I'm going to call here. It is just not worth trading today. I just don't think it's worth it. And it makes sense because Wednesday is the big day. Wednesday is the big mama day. We got FOMC. I mean, we got the Fed funds rate. We're finally going to see an interest rate cut, and it's going to be incredible. So, it is what it is. Pandas, with that being said, thanks for joining. Thanks for your support. Make sure you use code BBM for Apex promos and TPT promos. Right now, TPT promo is absolutely amazing. I would highly recommend TPT. If you're just starting, I would actually start with TPT. If you've been trading for a while, then you could jump to Apex because Apex rules are just so ridiculous, so difficult sometimes. But if you can trade, like if you have like a lot of experience, hence why we're trading 20 Apex accounts, then you have this incredible ability to make the most money you probably ever make in your lifetime with 20 accounts. But that's only if you're able to trade in a certain way where you can abide by all the rules. But with TPT, there's no rules, right? You can trade however you want, other than news. You can't trade news, but they have no consistency rules, no other rules. You literally can get paid out one day. So I love TPT, especially if you're just starting. I think it's the best way. And once you start getting good payouts on TPT, then consider going to Apex and doing 20 accounts in Apex because if you can get even one payout with 20 accounts, max payout on the 150K accounts, that's $55,000 in one single payout, which is amazing. I mean, that's some people's salary an entire year. You can get it in 8 days. So, Dennis, with that being said, hope you guys enjoy the stream. Sorry, we're red. It is what it is. But I think we traded today correctly. It is just recognizing the absolute filthy price action and trading accordingly. But Pandas, it's better days up ahead. Maybe tomorrow might have another super choppy day, and then Wednesday we might finally get some clear direction. But until then, Pandas, we'll do it together. You know what I mean? That being said, Pandas, have an amazing rest of your day, and as always, have been trading. God bless. Bye.